Hey America, ready to unlock a side hustle that actually pays? Snapchat isn't just for fun. It's a $100 a day opportunity if you know the blueprint. Most people snap for laughs, but smart hustlers snap for dollars. The secret is turning everyday content into monetizable stories that US audiences can't resist. Pick a niche that resonates with Americans: fitness tips, food reviews, tech hacks, or lifestyle advice. Consistency builds trust, and trust builds income. Add affiliate links. Snapchat lets you drop links in stories. Partner with US brands, share products, and earn commissions every time someone buys. Boost engagement with polls, Q&As, and interactive stickers. The more your US audience interacts, the higher your reach and the bigger your earnings. Offer premium subscriptions. Exclusive private stories mean fans pay monthly for insider content. That's recurring income, stacking up while you sleep. So if you're in the USA and want a side hustle that works, Snapchat is your $100 a day blueprint. Snap with purpose, monetize smartly, and watch your hustle grow.